All right, taking a look at crude oil. Crude oil triggers a bullish continuation and a reversal off this short 2-day pullback following a retracement to the 62% retracement. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by Exness, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So you can see crude oil broke above yesterday's high and back above the purple 20 moving average. This will be the second day that it's likely to close above the 20 moving average, another sign of strength. The 2-day pullback is a sign of strength. The sharp bounce off the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement is a sign of strength. Now, what do we have to be concerned with? Well, we have a downtrend, and so this rally is countertrend, and it hit resistance the other day with the high of 65.77, right around this light blue anchored volume weighted average price line from this trend low right here, and that's a multi-year trend low. It was confirmed as support here. Very specifically, you can see that sharp drop bounced right off that anchored VWAP here, and here, broke through it here, tested it as resistance here, and now again we test it as resistance. So that means it's primed to potentially break out above that potential resistance level. However, what happens then? Then it faces the downtrend line, and more significantly, the 50 orange 50 simple moving average, which has now converged with the line. So that presents a more solid potential resistance zone at 66.43. So even if we go higher, until we get above 66.43, the odds favor finding resistance and continued downward pressure until we see other evidence to the contrary. And so that would be presented with the daily close above this high, 65.77. That would confirm strength. Even though there is potential resistance here, there's also the possibility that prices continue to rise into the 200 moving average up here up here blue at 67.85 currently. All right, that is it for crude oil traders. Have a great Friday.